Welcome. In this lesson, we'll be learning how product managers create business value and revenue. Product managers don't just build features, they create value and drive revenue. In this lesson, we'll break down exactly how PMs help businesses grow and succeed. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to understand how product management connects directly to money, growth, and long-term business success. You'll also be able to understand what business value means. You learn how PMs drive revenue. You see real ways PM decisions impact growth. And you start thinking like a real value driven product manager. Now, what is business value? Business value means building products that users need and that also helps the company grow through revenue, efficiency, or customer loyalty. So business value is also solving real user problems, helping the business grow or save money, increasing customer satisfaction, and supporting long-term success. So note, value starts with the user. Every business value starts with the user. When PMs deeply understand users, they are able to build the right solutions. And solving the right problem is the first step to creating value. You cannot solve the right problem if you don't know the needs of the users. So PMs firstly research user needs. They identify real problems worth solving. They prioritize problems with high impact, and then they ensure they avoid building unnecessary features. So every value begins with the user through user research. So how do PMs turn problems into valuable solutions? They turn problems into valuable solutions by defining the product vision, by aligning solutions with the business goals, by deciding what to build and why, and focus and by focusing on outcomes instead of just features. Note, a feature alone doesn't create value. PMs ensure every solution supports a business goal like growth, retention, or revenue. So how do PMs drive revenue? PMs drive revenue by launching products users are willing to pay for, by improving conversion and retention, by supporting pricing and monetization decisions, and by enabling upsells, subscriptions, or usage growth. So how is value and success measured? PMs use data to measure success. Metrics help PMs understand what's working, what's not, and where to improve. So the following are metrics product managers analyze to know if the product is a success. The revenue growth, user engagement and retention, customer satisfaction, business KPIs and metrics. These are all the metrics the product manager use to determine if a product is a success or is valuable. So the key takeaways: PMs connect user needs to business goals. Value comes from solving the right problems. Revenue is driven by product decisions. Product managers create impact through strategy and focus. Note, product managers are value creators. Their decisions shape growth, revenue, and long-term success. Thank you very much. we've come to the end of this lesson.